Welcome! Today, I am going to share with you 3 benefits of eating Puto cheese. Benefit number 1, gives more energy. Rice flour is the main ingredient of Puto cheese and is able to instantly convert the food into energy, and it supplies us with sufficient energy as soon as we eat it. Benefit number 2, good for the digestive system. Puto is friendly to our digestive system. The rice flour of Puto contains dietary fiber, which helps to maintain a normal bowel system. Benefit number 3, supplies calcium. Cheese for Puto gives other benefits for health. Cheese is the big calcium contributor. Calcium is very good for children in their development and growth stages. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you're interested in delicious healthy snacks, check out my video where I try a new recipe for Puto cheesecakes. Also, hit subscribe for regular and delicious Philippine recipes. Thanks for watching and have a great day!